Hello, I'm Austin Morton from Video Revolution. Today we'll be discussing the reference Premiere line from Klipsch, focusing on the center channels. Klipsch offers two different styles of designs for their center channels. You've got a quad driver design, and you've also got a dual driver from your compact spaces. The Klipsch RP404 center utilizes four 4-inch drivers and their patented Tractrix horn technology for the tweeter. This is the Klipsch RP400 center channel. It offers two 4-inch drivers instead of four and still uses the same Tractrix horn technology. Klipsch offers the quad driver design in a 4-inch and a 5-inch version, as well as the dual driver design is offered in a 4, 5, and 6-inch version, depending on your needs. If you've been having a hard time hearing the vocals and dialogue out of your home surround sound system, it might be time to check out a new center channel from the Klipsch reference Premiere line. You might have an undersized or a mismatched center channel. So come stop by Video Revolution and come experience a difference for yourself.